Please like, hit that button, and please hit that button. Subscribe.
Wait, what?
That was cool. Keep that in there too. Wait, what? That was cool.
No. I'm not keeping wait, what?
Wait, what?
Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back, y'all.
V-neck.
It's got a V-neck. They did a vote, by the way. Let it be known.
You think I'll be listening to them? You think I listen to them?
Let it be known. Most people said the crew necks are best. Some people said we wear V-necks. Some go, oh, if you got a shredded chest, V-necks, and this motherfucker ain't got no shredded chest. One. Two. Somebody was like, girls should wear V-necks and guys should wear crew necks.
Pervs.
Basically, we won that argument.
Basically, this is America, number one. You should be able to do what the hell you want to wear. And number one. Number two. Number three.
Prince wore assless chaps. So we, what the hell are you talking about? No.
Because he wanted to wear them.
It was
He still pull the girls. With the V-necks out,
and hopefully you guys are staying safe, man. Hopefully you guys are
still wearing V-necks.
Nobody's
wearing V-necks, man. Crew necks.
We appreciate you guys stopping by.
What's your name?
We appreciate you
the Boy
stopping
Scout
by.
at 7.
We appreciate you stopping by. It's all
Look at
good.
him now.
Adrian just stopped.
Real quick,
Yeah.
this is gonna be the Teskey brothers' reign.
Never heard of him.
Ever.
I haven't heard of them. You guys requested this. Somebody requested this
Who?
about 5 months ago. No idea, man. It was like 5-6 months ago, earlier on when we first kind of started.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
And
Finally got to you.
The one that we're showing this now shows that we didn't forget about that person who put it in.
we didn't, man.
And
Takes time
sorry for the
sometimes,
late.
guys.
Sorry for the late.
This
but
could have
enjoy it.
easily, and I don't know what this video is going to do, views, what kind of views it's going to do. We could have easily subbed him out for a Demas or somebody that's going to bring in 30, 40, 50,000 views. But we could care less, man. We going to watch whatever you guys say watch. So let's see what happens, man. Let's see what this is. I have never heard of this person.
Let's see what it's all about.
Let's go.
Leave him put his own picture.
It's
I ain't get that close. This is keeping the mosquitoes away. Okay. Oh, once again, I'm my
Fucking tard. How?
Okay.
How,
Sorry, I
bro?
was sipping and talking, enjoying my friendship with my friends here.
I just met you.
Go ahead, roll him. Oh, this guy's called. Is one guy who calls himself Brothers?
yeah. I'm
No,
confused by
it's
it.
Teskey Brothers. I'm guessing there's more than one, but for
All right,
some
so
reason
come
he's
later on.
singing
Do
right
the backup.
here.
You can do the
No,
backup.
I don't know.
All right. Roll
Teskey
him.
Brothers, this is him.
We're live.
Yeah.
Are you crying again?
Joe Cocker.
Would be the same
There's an artist named Joe Cocker. Okay,
if I hold you, my fam. I know it's hard
Man,
Don't
to be
stop.
alone.
I gotta stop it.
Why?
I'm
Why?
gonna talk.
Why?
I want
They
to
don't
say
want to
Why?
something.
hear
Why?
you. They don't want to hear him.
Two of us said don't stop, but you stopped. You said it's supposed to be democracy.
First play.
I'm one
Wait,
of the
wait,
Teskey
let's hear the
brothers.
song
First
first.
play.
I want this boy's a beast. You
I'm a Teskey brother. You're a Teskey brother.
You're a testicle, brother. Okay, you're a testicle.
You just stole my
fan.
joke. I said you're a Teskey brother.
You said testy, but you said cold.
Testes. What the fuck are you talking about?
Well, no, testicle is a joke. Fans, let us know.
Y'all let us know. We won that one.
Anyway, this dude already I can tell can sing. He's the Teddy Swims
I
guy.
can't
Yeah.
tell yet.
You can't tell by
I
that intro? Ah,
Nah,
you tripping.
Nah, he can
This
sing.
dude
So, I mean,
soulful.
I'm-
I can
Yeah,
tell
he's
he's soulful. He
yeah,
can sing.
definitely.
He sounds
Yeah,
like
this
an
guy.
old school singer, man. I just
I'll let you know when I hear the song.
what? Let me know because you probably went to school with this motherfucker. But let me know who this person he sound like, dog. Like
Oh, yeah.
who sing that song? Like I've been loving you too long.
I've been loving you too long.
That's Percy, not Percy Sledge.
Percy Sledge, no?
I've been loving Otis Redding.
Dude, he reminds me of Otis Redding,
no,
bro.
A little Joe Cocker there, a little
This guy's
Yeah.
watching porn.
I swear to God. I knew you. I fucking knew you.
Hey, but I'm saying Otis Redding to me. That's what his voice, the raspiness.
I can't tell
He
you.
got that grit.
You gotta let it play,
grit
man,
to his
okay?
voice.
Let's go. Let's
Don't
go.
interrupt
Let's
me,
go.
man.
Sorry.
Next time you ever slap that fucking accent.
A soul with no face is a lonely embrace. But I know it's
Jason.
hard. And I know it's hard to be alone.
Yeah, he got a little shredded. Yeah. That backwards.
Yeah.
Right.
Now this cloud is up between us all.
He's an
What's wrong with
asshole.
you?
It's your fault he's coughing, man.
Wait, what the fuck
It's your
wrong
fault,
with this dude?
man. The guy's on board.
Get the fuck away from me.
Sorry, y'all.
Went down the wrong way.
It did.
Okay.
But you agree with me, Otis Redding?
Yeah.
I could like, it's,
But you
and
know
the music sounds that same like
Same
vibe.
vibe, yeah. Same cadence and everything in
Exactly.
the background, yeah.
Let's go.
And the road ain't so clear, but we can still walk across. Cause I know it's hard
Yeah, this guy's really copying all. Yeah, he's Otis.
to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, and I know it's hard. And I know it's hard
I never heard of this.
Really
to
like-
be alone, to be alone. Yeah, yeah. Oh, so little. Won't you come to me now? I wanna hold you in every way I know how. Cause it's lying high with the power of more. I wanna hold you in every way I know how. But if there rain,
That shit just.
or am I
I just like songs like this though. The old school,
Storytelling.
bluesy,
Blues, yeah, blues.
just soulful,
Yeah.
take you to church type songs. Like I like songs like
Johnny
this. man.
Hooker and Robert Johnson, yeah.
Right,
Right.
or Johnny Cocker or whoever you said.
Joe Cocker. Guy's a legend,
Johnny
man.
Cocker.
Okay,
Guy's a
but-
legend. Johnny Cash, you never know.
again, again?
I think he in trouble.
A soul with no face is a lonely base, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, yeah. Oh. 'Cause I know it's hard, and I know it's hard. But you ain't gonna be alone.
He's good.
No, he's real good.
He's good.
I have to,
Yeah,
good.
I enjoyed that, man. Hopefully next time his brother can be in there. I'm sure they.
I don't know. All right, I don't know. We have to. Y'all let us know down below.
And whoever recommended
Teskey
that,
Brothers.
thank you.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Is that a group? Is it him? Is like does the other people sing, or they just in the band and he's a lead singer? I don't know, man. But he's real good, real soulful. The Teddy Swims type vibe, different
He's a
voice
little
a little bit. Teddy
Right.
Swims could sing like real good. He can sing real good also, but it's a little bit just the soul is just crazy.
More raspy,
yeah.
more
raspy.
raspy. If he does not get a ton of likes on this video, we are not going to watch another Teskey Brothers song. That's just the way it's going to work, man.
It's up to y'all to.
So it's up
I want to see another one.
You want to see
Y'all.
more?
Yep.
Like the video.
We would like to.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
the
we
video.
would, yeah.
Show good
Please,
feedback.
Hit the like.
Right. Because when it comes down to a Joe Teskey, Joe Teskey. What the fuck? I'm thinking about Joe Teskey.
You talk about Joe Cocker.
Yeah, we think about Joe Cocker. When it comes down to a Teskey Brothers video or a Morissette Amon video, Morissette Amon is doing 60, 70,000. Joe Teskey is doing 1,000.
60.
Obviously, we're gonna roll with the Morissette Amon. This type of music is right up my alley, man.
Fucking guy.
The Otis Redding, the Sam Smith, all of them. That's right up my alley,
Sam
man.
Cooke, you mean?
Sam Cooke. Sam
No, he meant Sam Smith.
He meant Sam Smith.
Sam
yeah.
Smith. Oh, hey, no.
He still can sing.
No,
he can sing.
no,
He
no,
can
no,
sing.
no,
He can
no,
sing.
no.
But
Sam
not
Cooke,
that.
I'm talking
Well, he's
about.
not a blues singer.
No,
We're talking about that
that's right.
category.
No, Sam Smith, the Otis Redding.
Boy, if you don't.
But Sam
What?
Cooke.
Get it together, guy.
Give me
Sam
another drink,
Cooke.
man. Give me another drink, man.
The
Give me another
Sam
drink, please.
Cooke.
And we'll switch chairs, okay? And I'll control the
Can
thing.
you control that? If you pause it.
Really. Welcome to the room break. Welcome to the room break, y'all. Okay?
Look, Otis Redding, Sam Cooke is right up his little alley. There,
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Sam Smith.
No, the dude can sing.
Hey,
Sam
Sam
Smith.
Smith might be
No.
one of the best singers out there.
Not what I meant, but yes, he can
Yeah,
sing.
out there right
Okay,
now.
don't
yeah.
get crazy.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah,
Sam
yeah.
Smith and both of
One
his
of the-
albums.
It's a totally different topic. Get back
Both
to
of his
what-
albums
Get back to your
are-
fuck up.
You trying to
Get back
fuck-
to your
Okay,
fuck up. Yeah.
bottom line is, his album or whatever the case
Bottom
is,
line.
This guy's always trying to divert, but go ahead.
I want to
And
hear
he was a
more
fuck
from him.
Sam Smith.
And I'm going to hear that whether you guys like this video or not. I'm going to put this on my Apple or
Yes.
whatever the hell, Amazon Music, whatever
I'm
it is.
on my thigh. Yeah.
I need to hear more from him, man, because that type of music is right up
The
my
dude
alley,
can
man.
sing, man.
He can't sing. No, really. Yes.
So y'all
He's
need
very
to,
good.
y'all need to like this video, man. We want to hear more.
If you're
We
watching
want to hear
now,
more.
hit the like button. If you don't, you're a sucker. Let's do that. Let's do this reverse psychology on him or
Okay.
something from now
Let's see
on.
this
The
version.
You're a
You're a
verbal
sucker if you
threat.
don't
The
hit the
verbal
like button.
threat.
Don't be a sucker. Come
Don't be
on,
a sucker.
guys.
Hit the
Come
like
on.
button, guys. Anyway,
The
man.
verbal threats.
Listen, we appreciate you, man, as always, stopping by,
You
chilling
don't
with
really
us,
like them coming in.
hanging with us. We know it's rough times out there. We know everybody's going through
We're
some
trying
shit,
to make you
man.
laugh, have a good time,
That's all
react.
it's all about, man.
Right, man. Some of you guys,
We
man.
look forward to other reaction channels copying us.
Hey, look, some of the comments in there, man. You guys inspire us because they'll say, you guys, I was down today and I watch you guys and I'm just watching
That's
you guys
really
for
cool.
laughs.
That's really cool. That's
That
wow.
means a lot to us.
No,
guys.
it means
makes
a
us
lot.
feel
You have
good,
no idea.
man.
That's pretty cool.
It means a lot to
Oh,
us.
jokes
man.
aside, that makes us feel good, man.
That's real, man. And we
But you
appreciate
love Gus and
guys.
Yes, us too.
Anyway, guys, stay safe. Wash your hands. Put your mask on. Just
Take care of each other, man.
Yeah,
Not just
really.
you. Take care of each other.
Tough times are going through, man. Everyone, you see it every day in the news and everything like that, and you got to get through it. And it's rough.
exactly.
Yep.
Well said.
That's what we're here for.
Yeah. We're just here to make you forget about what's the problems for 10, 15 minutes. And that's it, man. Hopefully we did our job. If you like us, go ahead and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.
Definitely. Thanks for watching.
Later, y'all.